Find is an array function in JavaScript that calls a function on each array element in order and returns a first element in which the function returns true. You have an array with 1, 2, 3. You have a function that tells whether or not the number you passed in was even. When you pass even in define, it returns 2 because that's the first even number. You have an array with -1, -2, and 3. You have a function that tells whether or not the number you passed in was positive. When you pass pos in define, it returns 3 because that's the first positive number. Includes is an array function in JavaScript that tells whether or not an element is in the array. Say you had this array and you wanted to know whether or not it included a 2. Call includes on the array and pass in 2. You end up getting true, meaning that this array does indeed have a 2 in it. Say you wanted to know whether or not an array had a certain element but passed a certain index. That's the intent of passing 2 arguments to includes. The second argument is the index to start the search of whether or not an element is included in that part of the array. So when you call includes on this array with 2 2s, you end up getting whether the array includes a 2 at or after the second index. So false ends up getting returned because obviously there's no 2 at or after index 2. Like and subscribe to learn more.